Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we will continue our differentiation of trigonometric function. Okay, now I want you to see the comparison between example number 1 and example number 2. What is the difference between example number 1 and example number 2? Yes? Mujib? Yeah, correct. Y equal to cos 3x and y equal to cos power 3x. Okay, now, in order to find dy dx for each of them, okay, I will show you one by one. Okay, for the first question, cos 3x. Always remember, use outside and inside. Okay, use outside and inside. So outside, what type of function is this? Cos function. So when we differentiate cos function, we will get negative sign. So it becomes negative sine 3x. Okay, why do I make a space over here? So because I will know that I must differentiate the inside. So what is the inside? 3x. Differentiate 3x, I will get 3. So the answer is negative 3 sine 3x. Just like that. Okay. Okay, now question number 2. Question number 2, it is different compared to question number 1. Question number 2, these 3 now represent the power for the cos. For this case, what you need to do is, still I am using the outside and inside, but right now the way I am looking the outside is different. Okay, the way I am looking the outside is different compared to example number 1. What is the outside that we must focus on? The type of the function. That's how I get negative sign. But for this case, what is the outside? The outside right now is not the function of cos, but the outside right now is the power. Here, power. This power will represent as outside thing. Okay, so what does it mean by that? Differentiate outside, play with the, deal with the power. So we know that the rule is power go down, power minus 1. So what will happen is 3 will go down. 3, the function still cos x, still cos. Okay, but power reduced by 1. So cos square x. You see? Still cos x. But over here, there is no cos. It's already sign, negative sign, because the outside is the cos 3x, the function itself. But for this case, the outside is the power. Okay, so this is the outside. Now, which one is our inside? Here. Okay, so our inside is cos x. So differentiate cos x, so multiply by, I put in bracket. So differentiate cos x, we will get negative sine x. Okay, then what will happen to this x? Multiply one more time, another inside. Okay, multiply by differentiate x, we will get 1. Okay, so simplify your answer. So the final answer will be negative 3 cos square x sine x. Okay, so don't get confused when you have the power. Another example. What if we have something like this? Y equal to 4 sine the power of 5 2x. Okay, 4 sine the power of 5 2x. How to find the dy dx for this type of question? Okay, now what we are going to do is remember the rule, use the outside and inside. Okay, now how to do it? This number 4 is constant. Okay, this number 4 is a constant. Always remember, the constant will remain. The constant will remain. Okay, for this question. Now let's focus how to use the outside and inside. Okay, first, outside part. Since we have the power 5, so this power will be our outside. Okay, so deal with the power first. So power go down, power minus 1. So let's put it in bracket. So power go down, the function still function sine. Power minus 1, power 4, 2x. So this is the outside, the first layer. Second, inside. Now look at the function. The function is sine 2x. So sine 2x. So differentiate the function sine, we will get cos 2x. Okay, and another one, 2x. Differentiate 2x, we will get 2. Simplify everything. So this constant number 4 and this constant number 2, multiply them with this number 5. So 4 times 5, 20. 20 times 2 is 40. So 40 sine the power of 4, 2x cos 2x. Okay, so this is by using the outside and inside. So let's say this is method number 1. I will show you both method. Method number 1 is outside and inside. Let's say, what if same question, but for the second method I want to use the chain rule. Okay, chain rule. How to use chain rule? Same question. So let u is equal to sine 2x. If you want to use chain rule, this is your u. So when u is equal to sine 2x, what will happen to your equation? So y is equal to 4 u to the power of 5. Differentiate each of them. So dy dx, no, dy dx, du dx, du dx. Okay, now differentiate sine 2x. So outside and inside. For this part, sine 2x become 2 cos 2x. Where do I get this number 2 from? Differentiate the 2x. Okay, so 2 cos 2x. What about dy du? Differentiate 4u power 5, 20 u to the power of 4. Okay, now this is chain rule method. So by using chain rule method, dy dx is equal to dy du multiplied by du dud. So what is dy du? This one, 20 u to the power of 4. What is du dx? This one, 2 cos 2x. Simplify everything. 20 multiplied by 2, 40. What is our u? This is u, sine 2x. Sine, don't forget the power 4, sine the power 4, 2x. Then how about this one? Cos 2x. You see, you will get the same answer for both of them. 40 sine the power of 4 2x cos 2x. This is by using chain rule. This is by using outside inside rule. This is by using chain rule. Which one you want to use, both of them are acceptable. Okay, but prefer using the outside and inside. Another example. Okay, example number 4. Let's say, what if we have something like this? Y is equal to 3 tangent in bracket 4x minus pi over 2. Okay, 3 tangent in bracket 4x minus pi over 2. How to find dy over dx? So dy over dx. So for this type of question, I will use the outside and inside also. First, I notice that this is a constant. So constant remain. Okay, now let's start. Outside. What type of function is this? Tangent function. So differentiate tangent, we will get secant square. So secant square. So secant square of what? This 4x minus pi over 2. Then inside, this is the another inside. 4x minus pi over 2. This pi over 2 is just a constant. So 4x minus pi over 2, differentiate, we will get 4 only. Okay. So simplify the answer. 4 multiplied by 3, 12. So 12 sec square 4x minus pi over 2. So this is your final answer. Okay, next example. Example number 5. What if we have something like this? Y is equal to 3 sine 4 in bracket 5x minus 2. Okay, 3 sine power 4 5x minus 2. How to find dy over dx? Okay, even though the equation looks complicated, but actually using the outside and inside, you can find dy dx very easy. 3 constant remain. Okay, power. So let's deal with the power first. So power go down, power minus 1. So in bracket, power go down. So 4, the function still sine the power of 3. Then in bracket 5x minus 2. So this is the first outside. Okay, now looking inside. Function. The function is sine. So differentiate sine, we will get cos. So cos 5x minus 2. And then look deeper. 5x minus 2. So differentiate 5x minus 2, we will get 5 only. Simplify everything. 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, so you get 60. How about this? Just put them together. Sine cube 5x minus 2, then cos x. So no need bracket lah. So cos x becomes cos 5x minus 2. So this is our final answer. Okay, remember 3 is just a constant, so the constant remain. The first outside, the power. The first inside, the function. Then another deeper inside, 5x minus 2. then simplify everything. Okay.